Trading during extended hours on Webull allows you to buy and sell stocks outside of regular market hours. Here's how you can do it. Know the extended hours. Pre-market from 4 AM to 9 AM. After hours from 4 PM to 8 PM. Regular trading hours are from 9:30 AM to 4 PM. Enable extended hours trading. Webull automatically allows extended hours trading on its platform, but you need to ensure that your orders are set to execute during these times. Placing an extended hours trade. Open the Webull app or desktop platform and log in. Select the stock or ETF you want to trade. Click Trade to open the order screen. In the order screen, locate the Time in Force option. Choose either GTC EXT or DEXT from the TIF menu to enable trading in the extended hours. Submit your order. Set the order type. Enter the quantity, review the details, and submit your order.